Hello YouTube. It is Berbizooka. Eat it for breakfast every morning and watch how fat disappears. Proven fact. Most adults very often miss breakfast in the morning due to lack of time or lack of appetite. However, for those who are trying to lose weight, this can lead to failure. People who skip breakfast in the morning tend to starve during the day, and then eat during lunch or mid-morning snack. Nevertheless, if someone uses oatmeal in the morning, they will feel full longer and less likely to eat or want to increase their lunch. In addition to weight loss, oatmeal has a number of other advantages, including reduces the risk of coronary artery disease, reduces the risk of colorectal cancer, lowers blood pressure. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.